The Boeing 747 is one of the most recognizable airplanes ever built, earning its nickname as the Queen of the Skies through decades of service across the globe. Even in 2026, the idea of a modernized Boeing 747 continues to capture the imagination of aviation fans and travelers alike. The 2026 Boeing 747 represents what the legendary jumbo jet could look like if it received a new generation of technology, efficiency improvements, and passenger-focused innovations while preserving the iconic silhouette that made it famous. From the moment it appears on the runway, the aircraft commands attention with its massive size, elegant upper deck, and unmistakable hump-shaped profile that separates it from every other commercial aircraft in the sky. One of the first things people notice about the 2026 Boeing 747 is its updated aerodynamic design. Engineers have refined the wing shape to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency while maintaining the incredible lift characteristics that made the original aircraft so successful. The redesigned wing tips feature advanced winglets that improve airflow and reduce fuel consumption during long-haul flights. These changes may look subtle from a distance, but they contribute significantly to lower operating costs and reduced environmental impact. The aircraft also uses lightweight composite materials throughout the fuselage and wings, helping reduce overall weight without sacrificing structural strength or durability. Powering this modern jumbo jet is a new generation of ultra-efficient turbofan engines designed to deliver greater thrust while consuming less fuel than previous generations. These engines are quieter during takeoff and landing, which helps airports meet stricter noise regulations and creates a more comfortable experience for communities located near major airports. The improved fuel efficiency allows airlines to operate longer routes with fewer stops, opening opportunities for direct flights between cities that previously required connections. For passengers, this means less travel time and a smoother journey from departure to destination. Performance has always been one of the Boeing 747's strongest qualities, and the 2026 version continues that tradition. The aircraft cruises comfortably at speeds approaching Mach 0.85 while maintaining remarkable stability at high altitude. Its long-range capabilities make it ideal for transcontinental and intercontinental routes, allowing airlines to connect continents with a single flight. Whether flying from New York to Tokyo, London to Sydney, or Dubai to Los Angeles, the aircraft is built to handle some of the longest routes in commercial aviation with impressive efficiency and reliability. The flight deck represents one of the biggest areas of technological advancement. Modern digital displays replace many of the traditional analog instruments found in earlier generations of aircraft. Pilots benefit from high-resolution touchscreens, enhanced navigation systems, and artificial intelligence-assisted flight management tools that help optimize routes based on weather conditions, air traffic, and fuel efficiency. Advanced automation systems reduce pilot workload during routine operations while maintaining the highest standards of safety and control. Despite these technological upgrades, the cockpit still preserves the intuitive layout and pilot-friendly design philosophy that made the 747 popular among flight crews for decades. Passenger comfort is another major focus of the 2026 Boeing 747. The cabin has been redesigned with larger windows that allow more natural light to enter the interior, creating a brighter and more spacious atmosphere. Improved air filtration systems help maintain better cabin air quality, while advanced humidity controls reduce the dry feeling passengers often experience during long-haul flights. Noise insulation technology has also improved dramatically, making the cabin noticeably quieter even during takeoff and climb. Conversations become easier, movies sound clearer, and passengers can rest more comfortably during overnight journeys. The seating layout offers flexibility for airlines while maximizing passenger comfort. Premium cabins feature spacious suites with sliding privacy doors, fully flat beds, and personalized entertainment systems. Business class passengers enjoy direct aisle access and expanded workspace areas designed for productivity during flight. Economy class travelers also benefit from improved seat ergonomics, additional storage options, and upgraded entertainment screens that make long flights more enjoyable. The aircraft's large cabin dimensions allow airlines to avoid excessively cramped seating arrangements while still maintaining profitable passenger capacity. One of the most unique features of the Boeing 747 has always been its upper deck, and the 2026 version transforms this space into one of the most exclusive areas in commercial aviation. Depending on airline preferences, the upper deck can serve as a premium lounge, luxury seating area, or even a social gathering space where passengers can relax during long journeys. This feature creates an experience that many modern twin-engine aircraft simply cannot replicate. The upper deck remains one of the defining characteristics that gives the 747 its legendary status among travelers and aviation enthusiasts. Cargo capability continues to be another important advantage of the aircraft. Even when configured for passenger operations, the Boeing 747 offers substantial cargo space below the main deck. This allows airlines to generate additional revenue by transporting freight alongside passengers, improving route profitability. Dedicated cargo versions of the aircraft can handle oversized shipments that would be difficult or impossible to transport using smaller aircraft. This versatility has always been one of the reasons the 747 remained valuable to airlines and logistics companies around the world. Safety technologies on the 2026 Boeing 747 reflect the latest developments in aviation engineering. Advanced radar systems provide improved weather detection capabilities, allowing pilots to avoid turbulence and severe weather more effectively. Enhanced terrain awareness systems improve situational awareness during approaches and departures, while sophisticated collision avoidance technologies provide additional layers of protection in busy airspace. The aircraft also includes predictive maintenance systems that continuously monitor thousands of components and alert maintenance crews to potential issues before they become serious problems. This proactive approach reduces delays, improves reliability, and enhances overall safety. From a design perspective, the aircraft successfully blends heritage with modern styling. The iconic nose profile and upper deck remain instantly recognizable, while sharper lines and refined surfaces give the airplane a more contemporary appearance. LED lighting throughout the exterior improves visibility and reduces energy consumption, while the interior lighting system can adjust colors and brightness levels to help reduce jet lag during long international flights. These small details contribute significantly to the overall passenger experience and demonstrate how thoughtful design can improve comfort in subtle but meaningful ways. Environmental responsibility has become increasingly important in modern aviation, and the 2026 Boeing 747 addresses this challenge with several innovations. Improved engine efficiency reduces carbon emissions, while sustainable aviation fuel compatibility allows airlines to lower their environmental footprint even further. Lightweight materials reduce fuel consumption, and advanced flight management systems optimize routes to minimize unnecessary fuel burn. While large aircraft naturally consume significant amounts of fuel, these improvements make the modern jumbo jet far more environmentally responsible than earlier generations. For aviation enthusiasts, the emotional appeal of the Boeing 747 remains impossible to ignore. There is something special about watching a jumbo jet taxi toward the runway, hearing the engine spool up for takeoff, and seeing hundreds of tons of aircraft rise gracefully into the sky. The 747 represents more than transportation, it symbolizes the ability of engineering and innovation to connect people and cultures across vast distances. Few airplanes have achieved the cultural significance or global recognition enjoyed by this legendary aircraft. Airlines also appreciate the aircraft's flexibility. Depending on configuration, it can serve high-density passenger routes, luxury long-haul services, cargo operations, or even government and special mission roles. This